Hello everyone! Before we jump into the headlight restoration, let me share a quick fun fact with you. Did you know that Porsche has the ignition on the left side of the steering wheel? This design was taken straight from Porsche race cars, because the driver immediately sees where to insert the key upon entering and doesn't have to fumble around on the right side. It saves them an extra second of time. Now, let's move on to restoring the headlights. The car is a 2014 Porsche Macan. Unfortunately, the lenses are already scratched, foggy, and yellowed. I'll show you how to easily bring them back to near-perfect condition. First, I highly recommend masking off the rubber elements around the headlight so you don't damage them. Next, we need to sand the headlight using sandpaper, starting with a 400 grit. Our goal here is to sand off the old clear coat. This is the most crucial step, and we need to be the most thorough with this specific grit. If we don't sand it properly right at the beginning, the final result will fail. Once we're done sanding with the 400 grit, we wipe the headlight with a wet cloth and move on to 600 grit. We wipe it again and sand with 800, 1000, 1200, 1500, finishing off with 2000 grit sandpaper. After finishing with the 2000 grit, we must thoroughly wipe and degrease the headlight, preferably using isopropyl alcohol. Once the surface is degreased, we grab a polishing machine and a heavy or medium cut polishing compound. We apply the compound to the pad and gently spread it over the headlight at 1000 revolutions per minute, then increase the speed to 4000 revolutions per minute. We polish until there are no visible streaks of compound or any remaining scratches on the headlight. Then, we degrease the headlight again and polish it one more time until we are completely satisfied with the result. Next, we degrease it once more. Now we need to protect our work so the effect lasts for many years. I recommend using a ceramic coating for this. Apply it to the applicator pad, and using the motions shown in the video, spread the product evenly. This protects the headlight and gives it an extra brilliant shine. All done. One headlight is finished. We repeat the exact same process on the second headlight. Two hours of work, and the headlights look brand new. Let me know how you like the result, and make sure to subscribe for more.